One of three things is probably going to happen when it comes to Anthropic and the DoD. So in part 1, I explained to you the extent to which they had a case and the different grounds on which they're suing the Pentagon. And what's fascinating is that depending on which ground they win their claim on, very different things are likely to happen.
So the first possibility is that Anthropic wins on procedural ground. That's arguments like the misuse of the supply chain status or that the government skipped the process that was required by Congress. Those are procedural questions, which means that the government can basically just reissue the order but following the right procedure. Okay, then the second possibility is that Anthropic wins on the First Amendment retaliation claim. And this one is fundamentally different because it's substantive and not procedural. So once that's been established, the government can't just try again with better paperwork. It would create a precedent that the government can't use procurement power to punish speech. And this is why other companies are supporting Anthropic on this, because they know that if it turns out the government's allowed to do this against Anthropic, they're next. Okay, so I guess the third possibility is that Anthropic loses, but I think that's pretty unlikely, and I will tell you why in part 3.